Ow. Alright guys, for today's video, back on the Z28, and I've got a squeaky clutch pedal. I don't know if you can hear it right now, hang on. Of course it isn't squeaking now, but anytime I start driving, it's been squeaking the past few times, so we are going to go ahead and lube that up in this video. I'm going to use some white lithium grease here with a little squirty tube. We don't want to use like WD-40 because WD-40, it just kind of goes away too quickly. WD-40 really is kind of like a better solvent than it is a lubricant. We want something that has a little bit of volume to it that's kind of going to hang in place, but it's not going to be, we don't want something so loose it's going to drip all over the place, and we want to make sure we don't use too much of this to where it drips all over the place as well. So with that being said, clutch pedal, and you can do the same thing here for like your brake pedal if your brake pedal is squeaking. Same with the gas pedal, depending on where it's coming from, but pretty much you have 2 points of area on your clutch pedal where it can squeak. It's going to be either at the very top where the pivot is on the bracket for the pedal assembly, or it can be where the clutch cable comes through and mounts into the pedal. There should be a little pin that goes in through the side. That is probably what I'm thinking is causing the squeaking. So we are going to lube that area up, and we'll lube up at the top too, just because we can. First and foremost, on my car, I have the kick panel down here. I need to take that off. You may or may not have this. If you don't have this panel, then I mean, you just go straight and attack the pedal. To tell you, let me back out here. Damn it, early. Okay, so to tell you exactly what you need to take this off, I don't know, because this car is old. I'm sure what was in one place at one point in time is no longer there now, but I'm going to start with taking off this. I don't know if I have to necessarily. Let me see. No, I don't think I have to. Wait, do I? Well, we'll try without it first, and if I do, I will take off this little valence panel below the steering wheel. Mine here is a combination of Phillips head screws and some random actual bolts. See, this one's a bolt, that one's a bolt. This is a screw over here, but this is broken, so I need to really worry about that. So let me see what size that is. Probably like a 7mm or something. Something tiny. That'll be too big. 30 seconds. Like, check this. There, you see me? Oh no, that's too small. No, come back. Working under a dash is one of the most awful places to work. It's bigger than 30 seconds. Got my kit over here. It's all broken. It's old. What is this? 8mm. It's probably too big. I have a 7. That's a 6.5. Where's my 7? I don't even know what you guys are seeing here. 6. Let me try 6.5. Nope, it will be a 7. I just got to find my 7. There's a 7. All right. Okay, we're a 7mm. Stick it on my ratchet here. It's just extension. These things are all, oh no, pretty much just hand tight. You don't really need too many tools on all this stuff here. That down there, make sure we don't lose it. And I'll go after this one here. If you happen or wondering where your fuse panel is for whatever reason, if you need to use it, it's right underneath this as well. There is a little door panel right there. Ooh, just knocked a bunch of damn dirt down. To access it without having to pull this down. But now I get this panel off. I got the little courtesy light right here, door light. And then in the back here, if you can see, I don't know if you'll see it right there, there's a little tab that sticks down. There's like a little thing that sticks out from the back there from the firewall. That slides onto there and holds on. Right, now, so if we look back up in here, we will see that there is I got that pivot onto my back. Okay, so we see right, where am I, right? I'm going to bring my light around here. Come on, Mike. What are you stuck on? God dang. All right. So, there's not enough room in this damn thing. So if we look right up here, okay, here's the clutch pedal I'm pushing. Okay, you see that little pin right there? Okay. That is attached to the clutch safety switch here. Disconnect to see if it moves here. And that will allow you, when that closes, that allows you to actually control the it'll allow you to be able to then turn the key to send the signal to the starter to actually want to start. So stop it from starting up while in gear. Now right up above that, you see this arm, metal arm coming out right up there? That is going to right where the clutch attaches. Okay, right there. So I'm going to blast that area with the what's my face? I'm going to lay this down here. I'm hoping you guys are going to be able to see where I have it positioned. Come up in here. Oh, I got almost turned into a an adult movie finale right there.
What is that? On your ear.
From a phone for you guys. Yeah, that. I'm assuming you can see that. Now I'm going to work the pedal. So I don't know if you can see it right there. You see how well, where am I looking? I'm trying here, guys. But hopefully you'll be able to see how well the white lithium grease is actually staying on that pivot point, which is what we want. We don't want it to come falling down. That I'll also hit just a little bit right down here on the cable where it comes in. Into the car. I'll work that in there. Okay. Okay, so that is all good. You should be all worn in there. So now I'm just gonna get my rag. I had a rag. Where's my rag, goddammit? Oh, there it is. Okay. Now I'm just going to clean up that excess from right there. And just a little excess up here. I got my damn hand in there. Okay. Okay. All right, and that will be good to go. So now all I really have to do is just reassemble this. Oh, now I'm stuck. Oh, damn. Okay. Get the rest on top of that back there. Okay. So, yeah, I did not need to take down the valance underneath the steering column here. It was just the panel, kick panel I need to remove. So other than that, hopefully that should be good. And I will just reassemble this really real quick, and we'll call that a job well done. So unlike a lot of my short ones, my short little videos, this is actually a short quick project. So all right guys, that's all I got for today. If you have any questions, just let me know. If not, like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff, and I'll see you next time. Thumbs up. Later.